Man, y'all, she got mad at me. She gonna knock my right down out my hand. Y'all just seen her to give y'all a head nod. Yep, she just gave y'all guys a head nod. So that means she like, let's give me a thumbs up.